So in this video, you'll learn how to add a location to photos or videos on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you already have the location tags feature enabled, it means that whenever you use your camera app and you take an image with it, you'll see when you look at the photo details that a location has been already added. However, there are those instances that before you even enabled the location tags, where you've taken photos and they don't have a location added to them. So if you want to add a location to those photos, it's fairly simple. Start by launching the Gallery app and then select the image. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Details, and then tap on Edit. Next, tap on this plus icon next to the label No Location Information. And once you've done that, you'll be given a map. So you can go ahead and zoom in on a specific area on your map. And then once you've zoomed in on a specific area, you want to just tap on it to select that location. So you can keep zooming in if you really wanted to get to a specific part. And then once you're happy with the location you've chosen, remember to tap on Done. And then you should see the location being added in the details. So now just tap on Save to apply the changes. From here, wait a few seconds and you can see the location being added successfully. And if you want to even make the map even larger so that you can see even the approximate surroundings, just tap on it and then you can see the location or the image location on your map. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.